Hey WordPress website creators, we have this wonderful website, simple, modern. It is an e-commerce website using WordPress CMS in addition to Sober WordPress theme. You can watch this specific video about this theme. Now look at this menu element which is pulling some attraction. It has some animation like features is uh, attracting by giving some animation and style. You might be wondering how you can do this simply at your WordPress website, irrespective to the theme you are using, the plugins you are using, or even you don't know how to add styles and animations at your WordPress website. You don't need to know anything. You don't need to learn any coding for doing all such wonderful things at your WordPress website. What we can do, we can simply use some additional CSS at our WordPress website, which is very lightweight and safe, and it is not overloading your WordPress website because we are simply using a code snippet, simple code pattern. Without any plugin, we can simply implement such features at our WordPress website. So I'm going to show you how you can simply do this, and I'm also going to share some code snippet that you can directly use at your WordPress website. As I said, you don't have to consider which theme you are using. So just choose what is suiting to your layout, what is good for your layout, and which style you want to add at your menu. So you can use this feature at multiple items at the menu or in a single item as required. So let us start. What you need to do, first of all, we are going to add a CSS class in the menu. So under appearance, we have menu as always. And here we have all the menu items, and this is the features menu item that I am showing you on the front end. And here is the CSS classes optional. So this is optional option that you can add at your menu. Somehow, if it is not visible at your installation, what you can do, go to the screen options here on the top right and select the custom links or the respective thing that you want to see, like CSS classes or all those things. And the respective thing will be right visible at your menu settings and all, right? So it is totally in your control. It is not like I have developed anything. So screen option is available for everyone, as you know, right? So just type the name of CSS class that you are going to use. So in this case, the code that I am going to provide you through the link. So the link has been given in the blog format that will take you to the WP Themes website where you can copy all the codes that I am showing you. So I'm going to give you 5-6 options that you can use directly at your WordPress website for animating and styling the menu. And even that, just in case if you need a specific styling for your menu item or even for your complete WordPress website, we are here and the iCreate program. You can simply ping us on the live chat without any fee, without any condition. You can ask any questions and I'll definitely try to provide you the line of code that you can simply implement, and even I can help you in implementing. So there is a team, in fact. So you can ping the WordPress mentors here who will be able to help you, as I believe, right? Okay, so coming back, so I have this line of code that I am using, and it is making the feature item and the menu making animation. So let us go one by one, and we have added this CSS class in the menu item. It is necessary. So which uh, whichever the item you want to animate, you have to use this CSS class. In my code, the name is animated hyperlink. So it can be different if you are writing code at your own. So if you are writing code, you know everything. So I'm mainly focused to not to use plugin for these simple things, and I am providing this code for those who don't know even a single line of code, and they even don't need to learn all these things. So I'll say all the code and line of things uh, in a ready to use format, right? So after placing the CSS class, just save the menu and you can simply close this tab once you place the. Now this is line of code, and I'll give you line of codes. Like, this is another line of code that we can directly copy from here, and as I said, I will give you all in a blog link, and you can follow the video description link. All is available. So coming back here, so I can change the style simply by placing the code. Now the style is changed, and let me publish this for you. Now this style will be changed. So now it is simple, and still it is like breathing thing, and it is pulling the attention. So let us go one by one. uh, uh, all the options that I am providing you, there might be several more options. So one by one, let us check which is going to be suitable for this menu item. Okay, the first animation style, the subtle menu animation. So this is what we are using as of now. So this is the features, and this is the first option that I wish to share. It is just adding a simple breathing style in the menu. This is subtle and subtle animation, and it is regular. I mean, it is continuous, so it will work like breathing all the time when the website is open. In the second option, we can simply use a glow animation. So it will just put a glow effect on your menu. Since it is white in white background, it is not very much visible here, but the code will work for those menus having some dark background. So this is some glow animation that we can directly use, and this is the line of code. Again, the code will be available through the link in the video description. Let us move to the third one. The third may be called as Tada effect in the menu animation. So this is very wonderful, and it is more likely to pull the attention of visitors for a click attraction, and it is being used by multiple websites nowadays, what I have seen. So we are also using at our iGrade program. This animation works well for attracting the click, for inducing the click on the item, right? So this is very good. So you can go for this. Now the next is the sign effect that you can use at your menu styling. So this is the effect, and let me publish you and let me publish this and show you. So I'm refreshing the page. This is putting some sign effect. So I'm showing you all this irrespective to the background, since my objective is to show you what exactly you can use at your WordPress website, and it is not dependent on the theme. It is not going to collide with the theme features, and it is not going to disturb the existing CSS and playing effects. So where you are putting this code, so I'm sure you know this. Under appearance, we have the additional CSS option. I believe you know, so I'll show you again. And the dashboard, we have the appearance here, customize, and here we have always in all WordPress installation, this option is available. So additional CSS option where I am putting the code, right? And the CSS class is kept under the menu item. Okay, right. Coming back, so the this effect can be good, and let us close this. Okay, so the continuous sign animation is also good, so you can choose this as well. The next animation that can be used at WordPress website menu items is the wobble effect. It is also very popular if we are talking about the styling of menu. So this wobble effect is really like second things, and it works well on all the menu type, like irrespective to the theme or the layout or the background being used. This is the wobble effect in action, and I am sure this is pulling the attraction as well. So it is like uh, asking to click and inviting to click. So these all animation effect can be used using these simple codes, and it is very effective in pulling the more clicks and attraction to the visitors. So it is very important how you are presenting your content at your website. And since visitors has very less patience, so you have to show the relative things that you actually want to show within seconds. Okay, so I gave you 5 options for animating the menu at your WordPress website. If you need more, don't hesitate in writing in the comment section or directly connect with a mentor here. So we can give you all codes, even for basic customization. Of course, it is not like adding modules, and yes, solution is there, but not in form of exactly no plugin solution. So if we are talking about no plugin solution, you can connect here and we can discuss upon your requirement. We can develop the things, and there is no fee for this. There is no hidden code like thing like you may be uh, thinking. So why we are providing. So we want every WordPress website a success here at iCreate program. And if you are a regular visitor on this channel, you might be aware about this program. So these are very simple codes, and you can check. There is nothing like linking or tagging, or there is no condition. So it will show some banner or like promo something, which is not like that. It is simple code you can use at your WordPress website, and even you can ask your developer to check, or you can ask your developer to write such codes. But you can use these things using AI modules, and as you know, AI is everywhere. So you can write your own code so that you may be very much confident. So let us meet in the next video. I'm coming with more solutions for your great and dream WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.